How's it going, folks? It's Dallas here. For today's video, we will be taking a look at the MC20 by Setpower. As you can see, it is still in its box, so let's get to it. All right. Well, here it is. This is the MC20 by Setpower. It is their mobile freezer and refrigerator, and this is the one in white. There is also another color in black, but yeah. So like I said earlier, this is a very compact cooler. It only weighs just about 24 pounds. The dimensions are 24 inches wide, 13 inches tall, and then another 13 inches deep. Okay, and the size of the cooler itself on the internal is 20 liters. What's also great about Setpower and what they provided two sets of ways to give power to your cooler. You have your traditional car cigarette lighter, or you're also your wall outlet. Right? And what's really great that I've never seen a cooler company do is that not only did they provide tie-down points, 2 on each side of the cooler, they also provided tie-down straps. So they provided 4 total, 1 on each corner, and this is how you pretty much just slide this right through the slit, okay? And then wherever you are tying down your strap, and then you pretty much slide it right through again, and then there you go. You are tied down, ready to go, and making sure that cooler does not move anywhere. So that's one pretty great thing that I haven't seen a cooler company do, is pretty much provide you the straps for the tie downs. Okay, and I did say earlier that this is a freezer as well. So the lowest temperatures that you can get to is -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I believe the warmest is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, what's one great thing about this is that this cooler, okay, it has a reversible lid. So there are 2 slits on the inside where you pretty much just slide this little piece in at an angle, close it, take it out, slide it right back. You may think, you know, what a reversible or removable or reversible lid may do. It pretty much just helps you, I guess, if you have any awkward positions or where this is placed, then it gives you the opportunity to switch the lid around. So as you do see, there are 4 vents total, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's pretty much just ventilation to keep that compressor cooled. There is a small digital screen on the top, as I will show you. There's only 3 buttons, which is an off button, and then a plus and minus, which really controls the temperature of the cooler. On the top, we do have 4 cup holders on the lid, and then of course we do have 2 handles on the side right here, which is really great just to pretty much, you know, wherever you're carrying the cooler and just helping you out. And also, with this being an electronic cooler, you may think that with the compressor running that it is very loud. It actually isn't. I believe it only reads 4.2 decibels, so that's really quiet. All right. So I do have my power bank with me on the side here. I'm just gonna go plug it in with I'll do the traditional plug through the AC output. And again, it's fairly simple how to, I guess, get this whole setup as so. I will turn on my power bank. Turn the cooler on. Okay. All right, so I have it set to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And instantly, boom, you can hear that compressor working and trying to make its way to cool down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so we are up close right now. So you do see that little LCD screen right here with the 3 buttons. We are currently only drawing 13.2 volts. And of course, it is a little hot out here, and I do have the lid open. So it's reading 75 degrees. But I did just want to show you the depth of the cooler. As so, and again, it is, fairly deep. So if you're just, going to the lake for the day, this is a perfect cooler for you. All right, and this is where I was talking about those little slits to remove the lid. I did shut that lid down. Remember, it did say 75. Now it does say 73. And to control the temperature, right now we see it going down or up. There you go. So it's great that they also give you 2 different ways to power this cooler. They give you a AC input and then a DC input, and then of course a owner's manual as well. Again, this is the Setpower cooler, the MC20 refrigerator and freezer.